How to record high-quality videos on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your iPhone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Camera. Now, tap on Record Video at the top of the list to access the resolution settings. Here, change the settings to 4K at 60 frames per second. Now, go back to the previous page and tap on Formats. In the Camera Capture section, select High Efficiency. This helps reduce file size while maintaining high-quality video. After that, go back to your home screen and open up the Camera application. By default, the camera will be in photo mode. Swipe across the bottom to select video mode. You can confirm the resolution in the top corner, which shows 4K at 60 frames per second. Tap on the Record button to start, and tap it again to stop recording. You can view your high-quality video by tapping the photo preview. Following these steps, you can easily record high-quality videos on an iPhone.